Yeah, when you can, people, and you can centralise, when you can centralise your toilet, like cut your tiles to the centre and you have, even cut both sides, and it's all lovely, because when people are sitting on the toilet, they sit there and they look at what's going on and they go, oh Jesus, that's all right. The tiler thought about that one. Or they'll sit there and go, oh Jesus, that's bloody terrible. It is nice when the toilet like that, the pipe is in the centre of the room. It makes all the difference. And it just gives you a beautiful look. Right, I'll clean my floor off. I'll zap these tiles down. I'll grout that first. Pop these down, grout that. That'll be cool. And then I'll put my fan on and start zapping some silicone down. We're laughing, everything's going well. See you soon. G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Well, here we have another bathroom. I've just popped the vanity in. A screen is going there. See where it says screen? It's coming out 1200. You've got another envelope shower. Bloody beautiful. They're going to have a nice big rain thingy-doodle shower there. I've just trimmed the doors down. All good. Put up the handrail, so I'm just sweeping up now. The toilet. And there, the toilet. I needed to patch that wall, but then the owners would have had to paint it, so it's just as easy just to slap up 4 tiles. It's been nice that I've been able to centralise it once again. The owner said to me, oh, it's good, those tiles fitted perfectly. And I said, yeah, they do when you cut them. Anyway, yeah, nice niche. It's all good. They're going to have a bit of a shelving system here. A couple of guys live together. Say no more. Yeah, so it's they're wrapped. I've got a new bathroom. It's all good. Plumber comes in tomorrow, and the screen guy comes in on Saturday. Today's Wednesday. I'll have a couple of days off. I've got to take a load of rubbish to the tip. I'll do that on Friday. Load up my van, take the rubbish to the tip, and we're laughing. I'll be back here on Tuesday to do the ensuite, which is through that door there. Okay, people, we'll see you soon. I've showed you that, holy shit. I slopped it. Anyway, a little bit of paint, paint the ceiling. Home and homes, mate. We'll see you This is Chris O. See ya.